A courtroom packed with people. A small black boy, barely 12, stands nervously in front of a powerful white judge. Everyone whispers, laughing quietly. When this little boy stood in court and said, "I'm my mum's lawyer," everyone laughed. But just minutes later, the entire courtroom was in tears. And the judge did something no one expected. A small apartment in a poor neighborhood. A single mother, Angela Brown, works 2 jobs, cleaning offices by day, washing dishes by night. Her 12-year-old son, Malik, studies under a flickering bulb, with law books borrowed from a library. They didn't have much. No fancy clothes, no big house, not even a steady meal some days. But what they had was love. And Malik's promise, "Mama, one day I'll make things right." Angela's boss is cruel, underpays her, mocks her skin color, and one day fires her unfairly. "Boss, don't waste your breath, woman. No one's gonna believe you in court." Angela, in tears. "You can't just throw me out like this." Boss, smirking. "Watch me." Malik overhears this, fists clenched. He whispers, "Then I'll make them believe you, Mama." Visuals. Weeks later, Angela receives a court notice. She's terrified. She can't afford a lawyer. To her, the system was too big, too white, too powerful. To him, it was just another test of courage. Malik spends nights studying online about workers' rights and unlawful termination. He writes notes, prints out papers, and prepares a speech. Angela laughs softly through her tears. "Baby, you can't go to court. You're a child, Malik. Mama, if the truth is big enough, maybe the world will listen no matter who says it." The courtroom is filled with rich attorneys. Angela stands alone. Then, the doors open. Malik walks in, wearing a small suit that's slightly too big for him. Everyone whispers. The judge raises an eyebrow. "Judge, son, this isn't a playground. Where's your mother's lawyer?" Malik, "I am, Your Honor." The opposing lawyer mocks him. "Objection, Your Honor. This boy's not licensed to speak." Malik, calmly, "Objection overruled. Truth doesn't need a license." The courtroom goes silent. It wasn't arrogance. It was innocence mixed with courage, and the whole room could feel it. Malik stands at the podium, voice trembling but strong. He shows his mother's work records, pictures of bruised hands, and proof she was fired without cause. Malik's speech, "My mum cleaned offices for 12 years. She never complained, even when her back hurt or her hands bled. But when she asked for respect, they threw her out. If justice is only for people who can afford it, then what's the point of justice at all?" The crowd fell silent. Even the judge leaned forward. This wasn't a lawyer speaking. This was truth in its purest form. Angela cries silently. Even the opposing lawyer lowers his eyes. The judge looks at the boy for a long time, then stands. He says softly, "Mr. Malik Brown, today you reminded this court what justice truly means." He rules in their favor. Angela wins. The company must pay compensation and issue a public apology. For the first time, the law bowed before honesty, not status. Angela hugs Malik tightly, crying. Reporters rush in, snapping pictures. The story spreads nationwide. 12-year-old boy wins court case for his mother. Months later, Malik receives a scholarship letter for future lawyers of justice. He smiles at his mom. "Mama, I told you." One day, they'd listen. In a world where voices are judged by color and class, one boy proved that truth has no age and courage has no color. Justice isn't a privilege, it's a right for everyone. Stop racism, believe in change.